So, does anybody recognize what this is? I replaced my regulator and two pigtails just a couple of months ago, but I had ordered this regulator a year ago. And when I changed the tank, I had a tank filled this last week. And when I changed that tank, I noticed a problem. You see how it's separating there? That is not good. That eventually would totally separate and then the hose would fall out. Now I leak tested this with this hose on and I was not getting any leaks there yet. But it's one of these things where you know it's going to come. So I did replace that hose. So just wanted everybody to think about that they do have when you're replacing things and changing your hoses out and everything, make sure you check and make sure there aren't any physical breaks as well, like this one. So here's the finished product. As you can see, there is some yellow propane. I put propane gas tape on that new junction when I put this new hose on. But there's the finished product. I leak checked it and everything worked. I turned the furnace on and tested the furnace, and the furnace works also. So this hose has not gone bad yet. It's still good. I've leak checked it as well. So hopefully everything will go well, and we will see you guys around the campfire. Bye.